Hi, I'm Ryan Nichols, CTO at DSA, and today I want to show you how to do some basic RAO calculations using the generic frigate project. In a previous tutorial, we downloaded the sample case and set up the ship model in preparation for doing some seakeeping analysis. This is a result of the plot from build ship, which shows the meshed hull along with appendages such as bilge, keels, scags, and rudders and things like that to the model. In the generic frigate project, we already have some project information set up for seakeeping motions in regular waves. This is for the RAO calculation. So we can go add existing data, seakeep regular. Select the only project that's in there, generic frigate seakeep regular. This is the first time that I've opened this with the generic frigate sample case, and it'll say it's just locating the setting the file path to the actual location on my computer here. It only does this for the first time you load this particular one. So what you need to do is add for ship motion input file, you need to select the ship motion database file from the project. We'll click here. There's some autopilot settings you can set, which helps maintain the ship during the seakeeping calculations. We're not going to make any changes to those right now. There's some output options here. You can look at those in more detail. This is where you specify the range of environmental conditions to look at. We're going to leave these all at default positions right now, default settings, and we just go run. You can see the calculation is quite quick. And when you go plot motion RAO, you can see the RAO motions: surge, sway, heave, roll, pitch, yaw, and then the rudder RAO values as well. This is frequency domain analysis, so there isn't really much going on with the rudder at the moment. If we go back to the seakeep regular tab here, you can view output as well, which shows a much more detailed text report on the values for each of the conditions. This can be copied and pasted into another report format. That's calculating basic seakeeping motions and RAOs with the generic frigate. Thanks for watching.